This video describes the list of the best apps for streaming games on Android devices in 2023. It represents the top 5 apps that can be easily used on Android phones. Naturally, in this video, you will be given information about each app, its key features, and how to use it to enjoy streaming games on your Android phone. First of all, subscribe to our channel to get educational videos about technology. Without wasting time, we will start with 5. Steamlink is a software and hardware solution from Valve that allows you to stream games from your PC to other devices. Some of its key features include 1. Game streaming. You can stream PC games from your computer to other devices like smart TVs, smartphones, or tablets over a local network. 2. Compatibility. Steamlink supports a wide range of devices, including Android and iOS smartphones, smart TVs, Raspberry Pi, and more. 3. Controller support. It works with various controllers, including Steam controllers, Xbox controllers, PlayStation controllers, and more. 4. Remote play. You can play your games remotely from a different location using an internet connection. 5. Customization. Steamlink allows for various streaming settings, customization, including resolution, bitrate, and more. 6. Big Picture Mode. It integrates with Steam's Big Picture Mode, designed for TV displays, making it easy to navigate and launch games. 7. In-home and remote play. You can use Steamlink for in-home streaming over your local network and remote play when you're away from home. 8. Multiplayer support. It enables local multiplayer and couch co-op by supporting multiple controllers. 9. Streaming. Quality. The quality of the stream is optimized based on your network conditions for a smooth gaming experience. 10. Steam library integration. All your Steam games are readily accessible for streaming through the Steamlink app. These features make Steamlink a versatile tool for gaming enthusiasts looking to extend their gaming experience to various devices within and outside their homes. 4. PlayStation Remote Play. PlayStation Remote Play is a feature that allows you to stream and play your PlayStation games on a compatible device such as a PC, Mac, Android, or iOS device. Here's how to use it and its features. 1. Compatibility. Ensure that your PlayStation console is a compatible model, for example, PS4, PS5. Make sure your device, PC, Mac, Android, iOS, meets the necessary system requirements. 2. Setup on your PlayStation, go to Settings and GT. Remote Play connection settings and enable Remote Play. On your computer or mobile device, download and install the Remote Play app or software. 3. Pair devices. Open the Remote Play app on your device. Sign in with your PlayStation Network (PSN) account. The app should detect your PlayStation console if they are on the same network. If not, you can manually enter your console's IP address. 4. Connect. Select your PlayStation console from the list if it's not detected automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your devices. 5. Features. Play games. You can play your PlayStation games remotely as if you were sitting in front of your console. Controller support. You can use a DualShock 4 or DualSense controller for a more authentic gaming experience. Customization. Adjust video and audio settings to optimize the streaming quality for your network connection. Second screen. Some games offer second screen experiences or touch controls on mobile devices. Share play. You can invite friends to watch your gameplay or join in multiplayer sessions online. Voice chat. Communicate with your friends through voice chat using a microphone on your device. Performance mode. On the PS4 Pro and PS5, you can enable a performance mode for better graphics quality. 6. Network connection. For the best experience, ensure a stable and high-speed internet connection on both your PlayStation and the remote device. A wired connection for your PlayStation is often recommended. Use a 5GHz Wi-Fi network for less lag and interference. Avoid other bandwidth-intensive activities on your network while using remote play. 7. Disconnect and quit. When you're done playing, make sure to properly disconnect from remote play, or it may continue running in the background on your PlayStation. 8. Troubleshooting. If you encounter issues, make sure both devices have the latest system software updates. Check network and connection settings for potential improvements. 3. Xbox Cloud Gaming. Xbox Cloud Gaming, also known as Xbox Cloud Gaming, Beta, or previously Project xCloud, is a cloud-based game streaming service provided by Microsoft that allows you to play Xbox games on various devices without the need for high-end hardware. Here's how to use it and its features. How to use Xbox Cloud Gaming. 1. Subscription. You need an Xbox Game Pass. Ultimate subscription to access Xbox Cloud Gaming. This subscription includes cloud gaming as part of its offerings. 2. Supported devices. You can use Xbox Cloud Gaming on various devices, including Android phones and tablets via the Xbox Cloud Gaming app. It's worth noting that the service may become available on other platforms in the future. 3. Internet connection. A stable and high-speed internet connection is essential for a smooth gaming experience. Microsoft recommends a minimum of 10 megabits per second for gameplay and 20 megabits per second for optimal performance. 4. Controller. You can connect a compatible Xbox wireless controller to your Android device for a console-like experience. Some games also support touch controls. 5. Xbox Cloud Gaming app. Download the Xbox Cloud Gaming app from the Google Play Store and sign in with your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate account. 6. Game library. Once logged in, you can browse the Xbox Game Pass library, which includes a wide range of games, including Xbox Game Studios titles. 7. Select a game, choose a game from the library, and you can either install it on your local device or play it directly through cloud streaming, depending on your preference. Features of Xbox Cloud Gaming 1. Play anywhere. You can play Xbox games on a variety of devices, providing flexibility and accessibility. 2. Game library. Access to a vast library of games, including first-party Xbox Game Studios titles available for streaming. 3. Cross-platform play. Some games support cross-platform play, allowing you to play with friends on different devices. 4. Cloud saves. Your game progress is saved in the cloud, allowing you to seamlessly switch between devices. 5. Achievements and progression. Xbox Live achievements and game progression sync across devices. 6. Game streaming quality. Xbox Cloud Gaming uses Microsoft's Azure cloud infrastructure to provide high-quality, low-latency streaming. 7. Touch controls. Some games have touch controls enabled, so you can play without a controller on supported devices. 8. Game updates. Game updates and patches are handled automatically, so you're always up to date. 2. Nvidia GeForce Now provides the power of a high-end GPU, such as the RTX 4080 via streaming. As long as you have a fast and reliable internet connection, you can enjoy a gaming experience that rivals local PCs and consoles. 1. Sign up. Create an account on the Nvidia GeForce Now website or app. 2. Check system requirements. Ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements, such as a compatible GPU, internet speed, and operating system. 3. Library access. Access your game library by purchasing games through platforms like Steam, Epic Games Store, or other supported stores. 4. Game selection. Choose a game from your library that you want to play on Nvidia GeForce Now. 5. Launch the game. Start the game on Nvidia GeForce Now. The game will be hosted on Nvidia servers and you will stream it to your device. 6. Internet speed. A stable and high-speed internet connection is crucial for smooth gameplay. Common features NVIDIA GeForce Now 1. Instant play. NVIDIA GeForce Now allows you to instantly play games from your library without downloading or installation. 2. Game sync. You can sync your existing game libraries from various platforms, making it convenient to access your purchased titles. 3. Cross-platform play. Some games support cross-platform play, so you can play with friends on different devices. 4. Graphics. Quality. GeForce Now offers different graphics quality settings based on your device's capabilities and internet speed. 5. Game saves. Cloud saves allow you to continue your game progress from different devices. 6. Multi-device support. You can play games on various devices, including PCs, Macs, Android devices, and Nvidia Shield TV. 1. Google Stadia. Google Stadia is a cloud-based gaming platform developed by Google. Features of Google Stadia include 1. Cloud gaming. Google Stadia is a cloud gaming service that allows players to stream and play video games over the internet without the need for high-end gaming hardware. The game processing takes place on Google's servers, and the video stream is sent to the player's device. 2. Wide device support. Stadia supports a range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, computers, and even some smart TVs. This allows players to enjoy games on various screens. 3. Instant play. Stadia offers the concept of instant play, where players can start a game within seconds without the need for lengthy downloads or installations. 4. Cross-platform play. Some games on Stadia support cross-platform multiplayer, enabling players on Stadia to play with friends on other gaming platforms. 5. Game library. Google Stadia provides access to a library of games that users can purchase individually or access through a subscription service called Stadia Pro. The game library includes a mix of genres and titles. 6. 4K resolution and HDR support. Stadia offers the option to stream games in 4K resolution with high dynamic range, HDR, for an immersive gaming experience. 7. State share and crowd play. Unique Stadia features like State Share allow players to share game states with others, enabling them to pick up exactly where another player left off. Crowd play lets content creators and players engage with their audience by inviting them to join a game. 8. Google Assistant integration. Stadia incorporates Google Assistant for features like voice-activated help during gameplay and the ability to seek gameplay tips and videos. 9. Free-to-play games. While many games require separate purchases or a subscription, Stadia also offers some free-to-play games. In the ever-evolving world of mobile gaming, Android game streaming apps have emerged as a game changer, offering players the flexibility to enjoy console-quality gaming experiences on their smartphones. In this video, we've explored 5 prominent game streaming apps as of 2023, including Google Stadia, Nvidia GeForce Now, Xbox Cloud Gaming, PlayStation Remote Play, and Steamlink. These apps have redefined the way we play games, providing accessibility and convenience like never before. As technology continues to advance, we can only anticipate even more innovation and choice in the Android game streaming ecosystem. So, whether you're a casual or hardcore gamer, there's never been a better time to explore the vast world of Android game streaming. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.